Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ben's Almanac. I'm Mac, and this is going to be the final devlog and really more of a quick update this week. Um, Basically, what I realized last week. Well, okay, let's back up. As a reminder, the show, if anyone's joining us that doesn't know by this point, is going to be an AI presented Zoom style meeting, uh, both to do a callback to the old COVID days. And um, I thought it would be really interesting to push how far you can take the AI tools and doing like commonplace business related work almost. Like a huge fraction of the average employees' time is spent between emails and meetings. And I'm not trying to fool anyone with my presence. I think that would be very hard to do. But I thought it'd be interesting to see if we give an AI the reins, so to speak, what quality of content would they come back and present to us? And so that's what we're building. And in fact, that's what we have built in a very minimum viable product sense. And what I realized last week is that we actually checked off all of the major work phases that I had planned in order to do it. And if I were to go and check the test episode or run it through, indeed, I can get from uh, just some idea, like some directory folder, and all of the various segments I need to put it together. All from just a simple research output. So, because this is done, and we have done all of the major components between the YAML architecture, like blueprinting, to the deck building, the scripting, the audio, and the images, and then a compilation of those into a final product. Uh, the only thing left to actually do is make an episode and go live. And that's going to take me longer than a single week because this is basically the sanding phase of the project where, if you've ever done anything in woodworking or just know somebody who has, like you can put all of the pieces together, you can cut all of the lumber up and configure everything. But once you get to the sanding phase, it like doubles the amount of time of a project with seemingly very little to actually show for it at any individual point. So I'm not really looking forward to it, but I think it needs to be done for me to feel excited about the output. Combined with the fact that I need to figure out how to integrate the audio snippets into the video format itself. I have very little to almost non-existent video editing experience and don't particularly want to become a master in it, but I do need to figure out the tooling there and how it's going to work between filming my reaction segments, the video itself, and the independent audio snippets from the code that need to be compiled to make a video. So that's going to get done. And along with that, I have some IRL projects that need to be worked on. So it will take me a few weeks. So this is the last devlog. I'm expecting about 3 or 4 weeks. And then we'll do the first version 1.1 and going live with a full show. Um, right before that, I will also be releasing all of these files to the public repo. So at the first show, you'll have access in the description to that repo. So if you're looking to make your own presentation style quickly, you can absolutely do so. But do remember to refer to the master templating devlog because mine is a logo and a watermark, and it's just easier to make your own. But yeah, that's all I had to say for this week. This is just a quick update to say it's going to be a few weeks before the next episode. But when you have that next episode, it will be us going live for a first test and feedback. So I'm looking forward to it a lot. And anyone who's stuck with me the whole way, thank you so much. It means so much to me. Have a wonderful rest of your day and great couple weeks till I see you guys again. Bye, y'all.